Gran Meliá Palacio de Isora offers two distinct experiences under one resort name, each with its own booking link listed below. The main resort is a full-featured, all-inclusive stay that's ideal for families, couples, or groups. Red Level, on the other hand, is the adults-only upgrade, designed for guests aged 16 and over. It's not a separate hotel, but it does have its own private entrance, reception, and exclusive facilities, giving it the feel of a secluded retreat within the larger resort. Red Level guests get access to a tranquil adults-only infinity pool with Bali beds, a personal concierge service, and a dedicated restaurant called La Terrace that serves a la carte breakfast and refined dinners. Rooms in this area come with extra comforts like an espresso machine, aromatherapy options, and priority reservations at the spa and restaurants. It's quieter, more relaxed, and tailored to those looking for added privacy and personalized service. The main all-inclusive experience is still generous. All buffet and a la carte meals are included, along with snacks, non-alcoholic drinks, and a selection of premium alcoholic beverages. You'll have full access to all 3 outdoor pools, including a massive lagoon-style infinity pool and a kids' area with a water slide. Fitness classes like yoga and Pilates are included, and the beach setup comes with loungers, umbrellas, and towel service along the black sand coast. In-room minibars are stocked with water and soft drinks, and tips and taxes are already built into your rate. Whether you want full resort access for a family holiday or a more elevated and peaceful escape, just be sure to choose the right booking link below to secure your stay at the best price currently available. Tucked along the quieter southwest coast of Tenerife, this resort offers a welcome break from the island's more crowded tourist hubs. You're just a short walk from Alcala Beach and the town's scenic promenade, with a handful of cafes and local shops nearby. For day trips, the cliffs of Los Gigantes are only 8 minutes away, and top attractions like Siam Park and Playa San Juan can be reached in under 20 minutes. Tenerife South Airport is about a 30-minute drive, and on-site parking makes it easy for guests with rental cars. The location strikes a smart balance between peaceful seclusion and convenient access to the island's most popular sites. If you're looking to stay on budget without sacrificing comfort, the deluxe room is your most affordable option. Based on double occupancy, the all-inclusive rate comes out to around €249 per person, per night. You'll get a king-size bed or 2 twins, a sofa bed for a 3rd guest, premium bedding, a marble bathroom with robes and slippers, and a private balcony. It's more than enough space for 2 adults or a small family, and the design feels both modern and upscale. For a bit more privacy and room to relax, the standard suite steps things up. This category starts at about €330 per person, per night, and includes a separate living area, a larger layout, and upgraded furnishings throughout. It's a great fit for couples celebrating something special or travelers planning a longer stay. If you're after an adults-only experience with top-tier perks, the Red Level Suite with ocean view is the one to book. At roughly €387 per person per night, it unlocks exclusive access to the Red Level Infinity Pool, private check-in, and a dedicated restaurant. Inside, you'll find thoughtful extras like an espresso machine, aromatherapy menu, and a private terrace with partial sea views. It's ideal for couples who want peace, privacy, and elevated service without stepping too far into luxury pricing. You won't find loud pool parties or over-the-top shows here. This resort is all about slow luxury. The standout feature is the massive 400-meter saltwater infinity pool, said to be the longest in Europe. It overlooks the Atlantic and blends beautifully with the horizon, with in-water loungers, hydro massage areas, and plenty of space to relax. There are also several other pools across the property, including a family pool with a pirate-themed slide for kids, a baby pool, and a quieter adults-only pool that's separate from the Red Level area. Wellness is another major focus. The Spa by Clarins offers hydrotherapy circuits, steam rooms, massage cabins, and a full menu of treatments, though spa access isn't included in standard packages. There's also a 24-hour gym with modern equipment, and activities like yoga, Pilates, aqua fitness, and paddle tennis are offered throughout the week. Evenings are low-key with live music, occasional DJ sets, and some small-scale performances in open-air spaces. It's not a resort built for nightlife, but it still offers just enough entertainment to wind down your day. Food is a major highlight at the Gran Meliá, especially if you're on the all-inclusive plan, although just breakfast and half-board are also available. There are over a dozen dining and bar options on site, including 5 a la carte restaurants and a large international buffet. Breakfast, lunch, and dinner are served at Pangea, the main buffet, which offers a wide rotation of dishes, from fresh tropical fruits and smoothies in the morning to grilled meats, seafood, and themed evenings after dark. For something more curated, the a la carte restaurants cover Mediterranean, Asian, and Italian cuisine, plus a grill and tapas option. Notably, most a la carte meals are included in the all-inclusive plan, but reservations are required and availability can be limited in peak season. Portions are generous, and quality is consistently high across venues, with standout dishes like fresh sushi at Nami or black rice paella at Oasis. Red Level guests have access to their own exclusive restaurant, which offers a quieter atmosphere and more premium ingredients, including a la carte breakfast with kava and made-to-order plates. Whether you're dining as a family or a couple, food here feels more like fine resort dining than the typical buffet experience. Red Level is a separate, adults-only area of the resort, and access is strictly limited to guests who book rooms in that section. That means that under the regular all-inclusive package, you won't be able to use the Red Level pool, restaurant, or lounge unless you're staying in a Red Level suite. It functions more like a boutique hotel within the larger property, with its own entrances and private services. The resort grounds are also expansive, which can be a mixed blessing. While the layout helps keep things peaceful, it also means a fair amount of walking between your room, the pools, and restaurants. If you're traveling with young kids or mobility concerns, be prepared for some distance between key areas. Also, this isn't a party resort. Check out my list of the 11 best all-inclusive resorts in Tenerife linked below if any of the above are deal breakers. Gran Meliá Palacio de Isora sits at the higher end of Tenerife's all-inclusive market, and for the most part, the price reflects the experience. You're paying for the setting as much as the service, specifically an enormous resort with one of the most striking infinity pools in Europe, multiple high-end dining venues, and a strong emphasis on peace and privacy. Compared to similarly priced resorts on the island, this one stands out for its polished atmosphere and spacious design, which avoids feeling overcrowded even at full capacity. What helps justify the cost further is the quality of inclusions. The food here is genuinely better than what's offered at many other all-inclusives in the region, and the fact that a la carte meals aren't paywalled adds real value. This resort is best suited to travelers who want a calm, upscale escape with a focus on quality over quantity. Couples will appreciate the serene atmosphere, elegant design, and the option to upgrade to Red Level for a more private, adults-only experience, ideal for honeymooners. Families are also well catered for, with a separate kids' pool, daily activities, and spacious grounds that keep the resort from ever feeling too busy. Just know that while it's family-friendly, it's not built around high-energy water parks or loud entertainment. If your idea of a perfect holiday involves great food, beautiful views, and a quiet rhythm, I highly recommend staying at the Gran Meliá Palacio de Isora. Book it at the best price using the link below.